Hello everyone. This is one of the cars that you guys helped to raise money for. A reliable Toyota Hilux 3-liter diesel, and with help of another group we are going to provide them pickup trucks and they will turn them into rocket launchers. These things are relatively, they're pretty safe for our soldiers, and that's the big advantage, because these things can fly 20 or 40 kilometers into the Russian territory. That is why we'll try to do as much of those things as possible. And we're not gonna stop our Superpowered Trucks campaign, and you can support if you want to keep our Ukrainians alive and to send Russians back where they were. Thank you all for your support. Together to our shared victory.
Як же людина? Що ж людина? І живе на землі, сама не літає, а крила має. А крила має.
Есть, вот.